This course is the third part of the Blender 3D version 4 Essential series. In this course, you will learn all aspects related to Cycles rendering engine, including lighting, camera, render settings, and post-processing. Essentially, everything that you need to create stunning images using Blender. I have carefully crafted the curriculum so that students can gain the skills gradually with no friction at all. After this course, inshallah, you will be able to optimize cycles for different scenarios, maximizing the image quality while at the same time minimizing the rendering time. Assalamualaikum, my name is Widi Mutakin, founder of Expo Studio. For more than 20 years, I have created thousands of 3D renderings like this for architectural, interior, and master plan projects. I have worked with many clients all over the world. I have clients on almost every continent in the world. Besides doing projects, I have also been teaching 3D and computer graphics academically at various schools since the year 2000. In short, I have real-world professional expertise in 3D and teaching experience. In the lighting chapter, you will learn how to use various light sources inside Blender. We will start with the world background and a sky texture. Then, you will learn how to use HDR and EXR files, and then learn to use light objects such as point light, sunlight, spotlight, and aerial light. You will also learn how to create caustic effects, learn how to make lighting more realistic using IES files, and then learn how to make material emit light using the emission shader. Next, in rendering chapter, you will learn how to easily set up cameras using different manipulation techniques. Then, you will learn the ins and outs of Cycles render settings such as samples, denoising, clamping, color spaces, view transform, white balance, and so on. In the final chapter, you will learn how to perform post-processing to the rendered result using the compositor. Everything is done non-destructively via nodes. And then, you will learn how to easily isolate pixels for compositing using Cryptomatte. Besides the small exercises throughout the course, you will be given a final project at the end. Basically, you will create product renderings of launcher set in 3 different styles. First, with a transparent background, but with shadows that can fit into any color or background. Second, with a 3D environment and an evening sky. And third, using the same 3D environment, but now with a day or afternoon sky. So, join now and take your Blender 3D skills to the next level. Have fun learning. Wassalamualaikum.